Good morning, everyone. Sorry about missing the video yesterday. Real busy schedule. Didn't have time to do squat. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. We are testing out several different brands of ratchet wrenches here. We're going to do some comparisons. We have the original ratchet wrench, USA Craftsman. Hopefully you see that. We have the newer model, Craftsman. I'm assuming Taiwan or China. We have the Craftsman I-Beam V-Series. I believe this one is the gunmetal. We have the Doratech that we just got from Jeff's Garage Adventures. The Pittsburgh. This is the Pro series. We have the Gearwrench Flex. I use these a lot. We have a Hyper Tough. Do not fall out of your chair, people. We have another Gearwrench. And I'm going to assume most of these are... This is the old Gearwrench. This is a very old wrench. I'm not too sure where this one came from. I'm assuming the newer is definitely China or Taiwan, probably Taiwan. And then we have the other Craftsman, which you'll see that this one is much longer. So there is a difference in them. This one comes in a kit, this one doesn't. All right, so we're gonna start here with this one here. And we're just gonna do the drop. Yeah, this thing does not have many gears in it with teeth. It does have the forward reverse. Works great. Very old vintage. And this thing is probably 20 or 30 years old. The Craftsman that comes in the kit. Yeah, a lot of back drag. It won't even go down all the way in his own power. And this is not a brand new ratchet. It definitely not the best ratchet wrenches. Craftsman I-Beam. Very little back drag. It fits the head nice. Fits the head nice. You know, this one has definitely some movement in it, but the whole head's just moving a little bit. It fits the fastener nice though. The Pittsburgh Pro. Definitely got some back drag. Nowhere as near as the Craftsman. Not as... Probably very close to Doratech, I would say. They're very close in back drag. Yeah, very close. The Flex Gearwrench. Very little back drag. Now, I will remind you folks, I use this one a lot. So this is well wore in. It fits the head nice and tight. You can't mess anything better than that. Fits the head nice and tight. The Pittsburgh Pro may be a little tighter. This door wrench, that's a thick wrench. You are not getting that in a tight spot. Okay. Now we got the Hyper Tough. This is a 5/8. Back dragging this is crazy. A lot of play. This was in a box of stuff I bought, tools. Now we're back to this gear wrench. Back drag of this one's not hard, not bad. There seems to be a little movement in the head. It fits the fastener tight. The new Craftsman actually impressed me. It fits the head tighter than the Gearwrench. And the back drag, very little. I like this wrench a lot. The head's pretty thin. Here's the comparison between the Gearwrench and the Craftsman. The Craftsman V and the newer Craftsman. The offset in this thing is sweet. It gets you up away from it. Now, this is very close. But this ratchet is definitely better than this one. All means. If I had to choose my favorite ones, one is the Craftsman V series with beam. The second is definitely the Gearwrench Flex. And as I've said before, I'll always pick up the Flex first, 9 out of 10 times. The Hyper Tough, well, that's going back in the box. The Pittsburgh Pro, this is definitely an older model. I hope I would see some better improvements out of them. This Craftsman, it won't be getting used very much, I can tell you that. I've had this wrench for a while, and I cannot say I've used it much at all in a while. First fact is I go back to this one all the time. This actually has much better drag than that Craftsman. And if I had to guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's maybe a 24 tooth. But there's our lineup. It's Hyper Tough. It's Pittsburgh, Gearwrench, Gearwrench, and Craftsman. Original USA Craftsman, still a great tool. 20, 30 years old probably. The Craftsman in the box, the kit. I guess you can't expect much for a kit, but that's what it is. The V series, awesome. The Gearwrench, I don't like them. I will be doing a giveaway of 500 subscribers. These will be going back in the case. And I will let somebody else have them. Like I said, I won them from Jeff at Garage Adventures. And to me, they're just too thick, too bulky. They won't get in a lot of places, but for somebody who's a little weekend warrior or, you know, a do-it-yourselfer, it'd be fine for you guys. This set is by far my favorite set. This is the Gearwrench. I am looking to see if they got the, I want to look into the I-beam. Well, the V series flex head sometime. You see how they are. But that's my lineup. We have a few different brands here, and I figured I'd do them all. And just show you what we have here and what I think of them later, folks.